Alright, next thing I'm going to work on while I'm still waiting on my 360 to get back is this old Mercury 15 that I got in like 1998, 99, something like that. This thing has worked flawlessly for, God, I don't know, 15 years. And then a couple years ago, it was getting hard to start. I mean, I could one crank this thing every time. But it was getting hard to start, but it still ran fine. And then a couple years ago, I went out to start it, and couple cranks finally started, and then just wouldn't run anymore. So I was gonna rebuild the carburetor, but with the way things are with Amazon these days, for like I did with that Motorcraft carburetor on my Jeep, for just a couple bucks more you can get a completely rebuilt carb. So I'm going to learn how to take the carburetor off of this, because it's got all this stuff in front of it. And I'm going to pull it off, figure out which one it is, because there's a couple different variants of this engine. So I want to make sure I'm getting the right one. Then I'll replace that. And then eventually, I still have my aluminum boat, but eventually I want to build my own boat. But that'll be after the 360. So I'm going to get set up and I'll get started. I'm glad I got that on video. I'm never going to remember how to put that back together. I might put that screw back down to retain this piece. Okay. probably gonna have to cut this hose. Maybe not. That's gonna... I tried to start this the other day, so the fuel bowl, this fuel, there's a fuel filter right there, you can see it right there. And of course it's full of fuel, so I'm probably gonna get a bunch of old oily gas all over the place. Oh, hey, it came out of the other side of the fuel filter. That probably wasn't helping anything at all. The thing I read said you just unscrew it and lift it out of place. Let's see how easy that really is, because unscrew it and just lift it out of place makes it sound like it's just gonna come right out. And oh my god. This way. Right, this way. Oh, hold on. Let's be lazy. Oh. There's an air bleed line or something on the bottom side there. Oh, that's where. We're messing up there. Now can I get you out? Yes. There we go, completely out. I'll get it on the bench here so we can look at it. See if I can do this without making my light fall over. Oh, here. This Amazon light's pretty good. Pretty nice mounting surface there. This thing reeks of starting fluid from me trying to start it. Oh well. Alright, check it out. Oh, camera's shaking. I want to make sure I'm getting the right carburetor. It says WMC on it right there. There's some numbers stamped there. What does it say? I can't read it. 1809 49A. I'm sure an Amazon replacement is going to be just as cheap as just rebuilding it, so that's what I'm going to do. Oh, there's something right there too. What does it say? "3B." I don't know, pretty cool little carburetor. Okay, time to start hunting online to make sure I'm getting the right stuff here.